How to add multiple photos in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple photos in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and now you can see I have already added up one photo. Now you can see if I want to add the multiple photos, I can just tap right here on the plus icon, and now you can see I can select photos, and from there I can select another photos. For example, let me select this one and this one. Now you can see I have three photos there. I can add more by tapping right here on the plus icon.